Welcome to Mera Udyog. To get started, click on sign up button and create your account by entering your full name, organization name, email address, phone number and password. Confirm your password, agree to the terms and conditions and then click on create account. Once registered, an OTP will be sent on your email. Enter the OTP to verify your account and proceed further. Now begins the institute setup process, which consists of multiple steps. In the first, fill the basic information of your institute, including name, type, city, state, country, and currency. If its institute is GST registered, select the appropriate option. In the next step, complete the center setup by adding your main branch along with its location details. After that, create your organizational structure by adding departments and designation, which helps define roles and responsibilities within your institution. Moving ahead, add your team members and assign their roles. Then, create a custom inquiry form to collect important details. Set up your lead pipeline to track inquiries efficiently. Finally, click on Complete Setup and access your dashboard. Mera Udyog makes management simple and efficient in one platform. Thank you.